How to return index of a sorted list. I need to sort a list and then return a list with the index of the sorted items in the list. For example, if the list I want to sort is 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, I need 2, 0, 1, 3, 4 to be returned. This question was posted on Bytes, but I thought I would repost it here. This URL. My specific need to sort a list of objects based on a property of the objects. I then need to reorder a corresponding list to match the order of the newly sorted list. Is there a good way to do this?
You can use the Python sorting function's key parameter to sort the index array instead.
You can do this with NumberPy's argsort method if you have NumberPy available. If not available, taken from this question, this is the fastest method.
If you need both the sorted list and the list of indices, you could do or for Python 2.4 no item getter or sorted. PS the zip, asterisk iterable, idiom reverses the zip process, unzip. Update, to deal with your specific requirements. My specific need to sort a list of objects based on a property of the objects. I then need to reorder a corresponding list to match the order of the newly sorted list. That's a long-winded way of doing it. You can achieve that with a single sort by zipping both lists together, then sort using the object property as your sort key, and unzipping after. Here's a simple example using strings to represent your object. Here we use the length of the string as the key for sorting.
How about?
You can use NumberPy.argsort. Or you can do zip will rearrange the list so that the first element is test and the second is the ix.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.